Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple UI interface that I have created for text data pre-processing and augmentation. And this is a very basic pre-processing and augmentation techniques that I am using here for NLP. So here we have first the user inputs where the user uploads the file for which he wants to perform the data processing and pre-processing and augmentation. So I just selected this file, and here I'm using a uh, open source library developed by OpenAI called TikToken, which uses different models. These models represents different encoding techniques that has been used in like say GPT-4.0, GPT-4.0 mini, and GPT-2, etc. So let's say for example I selected this model for tokenization and I say upload, and you can see here as a first step it shows what is the text that is there in the uploaded file. So this is a simple paragraph about the machine learning, and here bottom you can see the tokenization results. So how each word is split as a token here. So machine is one token, learning is another, ML is one, is a field, etc. So these are all different tokens that have been generated, and to its corresponding generated word token, what is its value, token ID. So at the end of the day all your deep learning models take these token IDs as an input, as we cannot send the raw text into it. So for a machine this is the token ID, for learning this is the token ID, so this will be unique to it. And in this total text we can see around 162 tokens. Okay. So we know that usually in GPT kind of a models we are using BPE type of an encoding technique. So this is just for each sentence we are just seeing the token IDs here. Okay, so going back now to the augmentation part, here I'm using a technique called translation based augmentation technique, where the original text based on the user chosen language, it will be translated first into that language and then translated back again to the English. Okay, thereby we are generating new sentences keeping the context the same or the meaning the same. So let us say for example, let us select German and say generate augmented text. So here you can see the augmentation statistics where it shows the original sentence that we have here. Original, there are like 7 sentences, and after performing the translation to German and back to English, the text that is generated are 8 sentences. So here on the top you can see the original text, and the bottom is the text that we got after translating back from German. Okay, so we can select multiple languages and then say generate augmented text, and basically it is doing the translation from English to its language and then back to English. So now we have the augmented sentences as 24 here. So this is from back from German, and you can see is translated back from Spanish. Okay, and then translated back from French. Okay, so I just put this into one presentation just to see what words it has changed, etc. So it is very exciting to see that I have highlighted what are the words that it has changed. So here the concern is mentioned in the original text, whereas it here it says deals with, and in Spanish it shows concerned only. And then here that can learn from the data, but that learn from the data is mentioned, can is removed, whereas here can is seen. And here it says that can learn from the data and generalize to unseen data. So it says unknown data here. Okay, and here it uses unseen data, and it says thus perform tasks. Okay, so here it says allowing them to perform tasks, and here it says thereby performing tasks. So it's really, and if you see here, viewpoint is changed to perspective and standpoint, whereas the other text, everything remains the same. So here the objective is not to change the context or the meaning of the sentence, but it is trying to replace certain words which have a similar meaning. So known as is replaced by called, and then here it says the statistics and mathematical optimization methods. Here it says methods from statistics and mathematical optimization. So it's really very interesting to see. Thank you all for watching my video. I will place these in GitHub so that you can check out the code. Thank you.